Indians are on guard. I didn't expect Pakistanis from neighboring countries to steal homes. I actually learned the national treasure food of India. Go to the street to set up a stall. Also sold cabbage price. On the Alfala Theatre Mall Road in Lahore. This is a well-known, attractive, simple booth. The operator is Uncle Akram. He works with his brother and son. For customers passing by, offering delicious Mumbai style and this small booth is less than 5 square meters, but because of its unique flavor and the warm atmosphere of a family workshop, I attracted many diners. I didn't fucking come just now. Akram's story goes back many years. He was carrying dreams and hopes. Go to Mumbai, India to work. In that noisy and vibrant city, not only does he work hard, luckily, I learned to make on the local street. And, this dish, with its unique taste and rich nutrition, is widely welcomed, especially with chickpeas and lentil rice. Make it more delicious? After years of hard work, Akram decides to go back to the LA River. Take the unique memory he learned in Mengman, also brought back to his hometown. So, he's on the way to the local LFILA Theater Mall, found this little booth, started his entrepreneurial journey. Initially, his booth is just a simple stove and a few kitchen utensils, but with his own secret recipe and passion, attracted more and more customers. A taste close to the heart make his booth go viral. Many tastes and the burgi came from other cities. To meet the growing demand, Akram's brothers and sons. They also joined the operation of this booth one after another. They get up at 4 a.m. every day. Prepare fresh ingredients on that little tube, packed with pre-cooked chickpeas and mashed lentils, full of color and fragrance. Son of Akram, responsible for cutting fresh spices and vegetables, and his brother then nervously stir-fry the food in the pot. Make sure every serving and divert to the perfect standard. The production process of the booth is always full of energy. When a customer places an order, Akram shovels out part of the fry. Good tofu. Aroma. He enthusiastically put the mashed beans into the pot. Add ghee. Let the grease melt quickly in the pan. Make a sizzling sound. Then he quickly added the pre-fried sauce. Stir fry a few times. The whole stall is filled with a tempting aroma. Then Akram poured in a lot of eggs. Mom, would you like... As the eggs collide and stir-fry, rich colors and aromas blend together. Form a drooling deliciousness. In Pakistan, the locals like to eat it with answer pancakes. Huge dough cake with nutritious eggs. Always let the diners who have eaten him full of energy all day. This unique scrambled egg and the burgrin, aka balanced seasoning, attractive taste. Great for simple but fancy breakfast or brunch. Its origin dating back to the streets of 4 continents of India, where people often associate it with hot lake and other delicacies together as a hearty breakfast. The word Cuisine itself comes from Urdu and carp means fried for many years. This dish is constantly evolving. Variants by region adds a unique flavor to the recipe for this dish. The efforts of this family are not just let them survive on the streets of Lahore. Gradually changed their lives. Akram's booth became a successful business, also brought a prosperous life to their families. More and more customers attracted to their family and the birch, not only because of the deliciousness of this dish, or because he carried Akram's struggle and his love of cooking. In this booth of less than 5 square meters, more than just delicious and another tempting aroma. More of the imprint of family struggle and dreams. Although Akram's road to success is challenging, but he always believed, just keep trying, dreams will come true. He uses his experience to convey hope and courage. Encourage everyone who pursues their dreams.